Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 4 of the series we're doing with the titles. Hopefully you guys will follow along with the other ones. If you have any questions on them, feel free to message me. I want to mention I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed, cannot use my hands. I will do my best to keep it out of the way. And I use a handicap sip and puff controller. You may hear me sip on it from time to time. I do edit it out the best I can, but I can't always get it all. With that said, we'll go ahead and start right in Fusion. Start with the background node from the toolbar. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go to one viewer. Grab a text plus node. Merge it into the background. We'll put a default text in. I recommend using Open Sans because every computer has that. If you use a font that you brought into your computer and you switch computers for whatever reason and you no longer have that font, this preset will not work. It'll break it. So if you use Open Sans, it'll work in any computer with any font, because we are going to make a macro at the end and save it as a preset. Okay, with the text node still selected, get a transform. Go to size in the inspector, change it from 1.0 to 1.5. Select the transform. We'll go ahead and animate this. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to start on frame 10. You may have to adjust accordingly. Take the center X, put in 1.75. Set a keyframe. Let's advance 20 frames to frame 30. Go back to the center X and type in 0.5. Should have something like that. Now advance to frame 115. Set a keyframe. Advance 20 more frames to 135. Center X, put in 1.75 again. I'll give it a play, see if it's working correctly. It is. Highlight both of them, copy them. Click away right here and paste. Same thing right here, click away and paste again. Merge this one here into the merge one. And this one into merge two. Select the transform one and get another transform. Select the third transform and get another one. Go back to this one. In the inspector, center y-axis, we'll move it up. Choose 0.65. Let's go to this one. 0.35. Now if we play this, they'll all animate at the same time. We're going to offset these by using the keyframes. Select all three of the first three transforms. Go up here to keyframes. You can make more room by hitting this little shrink button up here in the corner. Zoom to fit, make it longer. Open the second two. Got to very carefully highlight all four of them. And we're going to move it 2 frames. Now we'll do the same down here, but we're going to move it 4 frames. Now look at your keyframes up here. They should be looking like mine. Close your keyframe window. Click away. We'll give it a play. That looks good. Select them once again. Now we'll go to the spline. Make sure they're all selected. Go over here to zoom to fit. If you look at these 3 little dots here, I have mine set up to show only selected tools. If you don't have that selected, you may have a lot more going on in here than I do, so it looks different. That's why. Down here to select all, or you can highlight them if you like. Hit F on the keyboard. Then hit T. This little ease in, ease out window will open. Just double click right on the ease in. And ease out. Should go to 50. Close your spline. Click away again. Give it a play, see how it looks. Comes in, slows down a little bit now. Let's go to edit page, take a look at it. Select merge 3. Get a transform. Let's rename that one Group Controls. And we'll go back to the edit page to show you something here. Right now, it doesn't help to stretch this out. It's going to animate within the first 5 seconds, no matter how far we stretch it. We're going to go correct that in a moment here. Make sure the group controls node selected. Shift spacebar. And keyframe stretcher. Go to the inspector under source end. We're going to change that 120 to 150 because we're on 150 frames right now. I should show you when it's at 120. Got a little ahead of myself there. See, it doesn't go off the screen all the way at 120. We'll give it a play, make sure it looks good. And it does. We'll set this stretch start to about 30. And the stretch end to 100. Somewhere close. On the text, we're going to add a few things here. We're going to add these options. If you look at the first text in the viewer, it's outline only, and a color for it in the macro. We'll go through that at the end. So click away, hold the control button down, and follow along with me. That way they'll be in order from top to bottom in the inspector. Then hit A with the control button still down. Deselect the media out. We do not want that one. And right click on any one of the other nodes. My keyboard does this for whatever reason. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. Mine's text reveal 4. If you don't know what to select in your macro, just click on whatever node you're working on in the macro at the moment. If you look here to the right, you have everything you need. Okay, follow along. You don't have to add the emphasis, I just do to have that option. Okay, text 2, which is 1/1. All the same thing. Now the third text, which is 1/2. This center is to move the text right or left independently from the other two, or up or down. Now group controls. Everything here will be to move the whole group in whole, sizing, and for coordinates. Select center, delete center, and put in group controls. Go to size, select it, and put group in front of size. Same thing with angle, put group in front of angle. Go pick out a file. If you save it as save as, it will be locked. You won't be able to never open it in Fusion. If you save as group, you'll be able to open it back up in Fusion at any time. It'll take you to macros, but go to Fusion, templates, edit, titles. This is where you can make your own folder if you want. I have mine right here. And save. Close out your background. Click away so you don't screw up your project. We'll go to the edit page and we'll find it. Put your playhead over it. This is what you're going to be looking at though if you don't have a color generator under it. Click on it. If you look in the inspector, if you don't see it, click on this little title up here. Then you'll see it. Have everything you need. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. You go ahead and figure it out. Seems to work. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.